Hello friends, don't forget like, share, comments, subscribe my channel. The eyeball is a bilateral and spherical organ which houses the structures responsible for vision. There are two eyelids, one upper and one lower. An eyelid is a protective fold of skin and muscle that covers the eye, helping to blink and keep it lubricated. The cornea is the transparent, protective front part of the eye that covers the iris and pupil. The cornea is responsible for about 70% of the eye's focusing power, forming 1/6 of the outer fibrous coat of eyeball. The total refractive power of the human eye is estimated to be about plus 60 diopters d. The total refractive power is mainly contributed by the cornea, around 43 diopters, and the lens, about 17 diopters. Refractive index of cornea 1.33. Cornea has 5 layers which are explained below. The outermost layer, epithelium, is a protective barrier that blocks foreign particles and absorbs nutrients and oxygen from tears. A toe layer of collagen. It contains collagen that provides strength and resistance to injury. The thickest layer, it composed of collagen fibers and keratinocytes, responsible for the cornea's transparency and structural support. A thin, acellular membrane that acts as a basement membrane for the endothelium. The innermost layer, a single layer of cells, it regulate fluid transport within the cornea, keeping it clear and preventing swelling. The eye's lens is a transparent, curved structure. The eye lens is a convex lens. The function of a lens is to focus or refract light. The lens of the human eye is a biconvex lens. Eye lens, also known as the crystalline lens. Refractive power of the lens, around 1719. Lens contributing the remaining 1/3 of the eye's focusing power. Diameter of lens 9-10 mm. Thickness of eye and weight varies with age. Refractive index of lens 1.39 d diopter. Lens capsule is thinnest at the posterior pole. Lens has 4 parts which are given below. 1. Lens capsule, which is thinnest at posterior pole. 2. Lens epithelium. It is single layer on the anterior front surface. 3. Nucleus. It is the central part of the lens containing oldest fibers. 4. Cortex. It is the peripheral part containing the youngest fibers. Iris is the colored part of the eye that surrounds the pupil. Parts of iris are given below in details. Collarette, the boundary between the ciliary and pupillary zones, containing nerves and blood vessels. Radial furrows, also known as radii solaris. The pupil is the black, circular opening in the center of the iris. This size change is controlled by the iris muscles. The ciliary zone refers to a region within the eye, specifically the part of the iris that extends to its attachment at the ciliary body. Crypts of the iris are small, diamond-shaped lacunae or openings in the anterior border layer of the iris. Ciliary body is a part of the middle layer of the wall of the eye. Ciliary body also makes the clear fluid that fills the space between the cornea and the iris. The ciliary body produces the fluid in the eye called aqueous humor. The suspensory ligaments are crucial for normal vision. Suspensory ligament of lens, a series of fibers that connect the ciliary body of the eye with the lens, holding it in place. Damage or weakening of these ligaments can lead to lens dislocation or subluxation, causing blurry vision or other visual problems. The eye's suspensory ligaments, also known as Lockwood's ligament, Vitreous humor is a gel-like substance that lies behind the lens and in front of the retina. Vitreous humor takes up the space between your eye's lens and retina. Vitreous humor helps maintain the shape of the eye. It's a crucial part of the eye's anatomy, supporting the retina and helping to focus incoming light. Vitreous humor mostly water, about 99%, and contains a network of fine collagen fibers. Function: aqueous humor is a water-like fluid that lies in front of the lens. The optic nerve is a crucial part of vision, acting as a bridge between the eye and the brain. The optic nerve's primary function is to relay visual information from the retina to the brain. Optic nerve consists of over 1 million nerve fibers, which are the axons of retinal ganglion cells. The nerve that carries messages from the retina to the brain.